So this is a little calendar. This has been up here for a while, but I realize it's be a nice idea to share. These are our bale counts right now for the month of October. As you can see over here, we have our bale count records by month, day, week, all that good stuff. What I like to use this for is it kind of presents a good meeting opportunity in all of our morning meetings, kind of going over yesterday's results, putting the number on the board, and then talking about either how we were able to get so high or why it was so low or why it was in the middle, what went wrong, that type of thing. But it's been a real good visual cue for us and something that most of the guys really appreciate.